Good day, YouTube. In this video, I'm just going to show you a little bit about the latest release of Linux Mint. Now, this is Linux Mint 20.3 on the Mate desktop environment edition here. So it is actually also the beta version, so don't go ahead downloading it just yet and making it your daily driver. Just letting you know that it really exists and it's there. Now, starting off with the Mate desktop environment, very Windows XP-esque in a way. So it's Mate is actually based off an older version of GNOME, so GNOME 2.x, that variant there. So it's people that just like I guess more of a simplified interface, maybe a little bit more light midweight as in comparison to other versions of Linux desktop environments there. We've got the little quick commands or quick options there to click on. We can go to the file manager. Now, Mate always uses the Kaja or the KJ file manager. Not quite sure how to pronounce that, but it's a very fully functioning file manager there, or file explorer, depending on what you want to call it there. It right clicks, it opens terminal. That keeps me happy. In fact, I should have left that terminal open because what I want to do now is load up some basic stats here and see what we're working with. So as you can see, we've got the let's see, the 5.4 kernel for this one. Now, this could be newer, but it's really not. The reason for this is Linux Mint is actually based off the long-term service release of Ubuntu. So it's actually running on something called Ubuntu 20.04, which coincidentally, or not so coincidentally, came out in 2020 and the 4th month. But hey, it's all about stability, and that's what they're doing here. So they've got the long-term service release backend from Ubuntu and the front-end Mate desktop environment here. If we delve into things just a little bit further, let's see what else we can find. So if we would have a look at, say, the RAM usage and the CPU usage. So starting off with the CPU, nicely idling out, nothing to really write home about there. And then we can see the RAM usage. So on boot up, nothing else is loaded in the background except for, of course, the operating system itself, running at about 550 megabytes of RAM. And this is due to running on a, let's call it a mid-weight desktop environment, the Mate desktop environment there. So that's just all I wanted to show you guys, just a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, subscribe, hit that like button, and I do hope to see all of you guys there in the next one.